Cook delicious meals up to 70% faster with the 10-quart Crock-Pot Express Easy Release Pressure Cooker. No need to fuss with oven mitts and kitchen utensils to keep your hand away from the hot steam. The Easy Release steam dial makes releasing pressure simple and stress-free. Combine 9 common kitchen appliances in one. Easily prepare any recipe on the menu using one versatile appliance. You can even sterilize. Choose from 15 one-touch programs for delicious meals at the touch of a button. The new 10-quart capacity easily fits larger cuts of meat, perfect for entertaining or meal prep. Also enjoy convenient features such as Delay Start and the Status Bar, which tracks pressurization and preheat progress before cooking begins. For home-cooked meals, fast or slow, let Crock-Pot Express handle the pressure of mealtime.
Make sure your ingredients are placed inside of the cooking pot, not directly inside of the unit. If you'd like to use the rack, make sure it's placed inside of the cooking pot. And don't forget to always add water when pressure cooking. After placing your ingredients, make sure your lid is locked in place. When pressure cooking, the knob should be set to pressure. After cooking, the knob can be turned to steam to release the pressure quicker. It is normal for the knob to be unfettered and spin freely. To remove your regulator knob, pull it away from the lid. To replace your regulator knob, press it firmly onto the screw attached to the lid.